Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Basim, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmoud International School, Akon. How are you, students? Hope you are well. As you know, students, in previous videos we have been learning lesson number 8, Nikki's dream. Okay. In last video we solved this exercise. Hope you understood and solved this exercise. Yes. Did you solve? Very good. Very good. The students who solve, keep it up better. Okay. And the students who still did not solve, they will solve today. Okay. Don't forget to solve it. Okay. Very good. Now see, today we will learn next exercise. What is next? Learn grammar. Okay. Learn grammar. In previous lessons we learn about grammar. Okay. Special noun. Got it? Yes. Have you remember? Very good. I hope most of students know about noun. So how many types of nouns are there? Yes, there many types of nouns are there. Generally we consider common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, material noun and collective noun. Okay, these are nouns. First of all, what is noun? Yes, what is noun? N-O-U-N, noun. What is noun? Yes, nouns are naming words. Okay, nouns are naming words. Yes, name of place, name of thing, name of person. Got it? Are called noun. So here we are going to learn about countable noun and uncountable nouns. Okay, countable and uncountable nouns. Yes, it is showing by its name, countable. Generally we count thing in numerical number. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, like this we count the things. Okay, and uncountables uncountable nouns are things which we can count, which we cannot count in numeral number. Okay, got it? Hope you would understood. So which what's we are going to learn today? Countable and uncountable. Got it? Repeat after me. Countable, count, count, able, countable. Okay, countable. And uncountable, un, count, uncount, table, table, uncountable. Okay, uncountable. Got it? See, so what is there? First of all, look at these pictures of the hole Nicky dug and the things that he found. Okay, see, here are all things. Okay, and this is the hole which Nicky dug. Okay, in lesson we learned there Nicky dug a hole into the ground where in the corner of the garden. Okay, so these all things he got. See, so count the things that you can see and fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Got it? Hope you understood. What you have to do? You have to count the things and fill in the blank. Okay, see, one one has been done for you. One mug. Okay, one mug. Yes, what is this? This is mug. This is ball. Are you seeing? Yes, are you seeing there are more than one mug? No, there is only one mug. Okay, in this picture. Okay, so here is written one. Got it? One mug. Then what is this? BALLS balls. Okay, so how many balls are you seeing in this picture? Yes, tell me. I hope most of the students will be answering. Yes, one, two. This is a stone. No, this is not. Okay, this is two. Okay, two balls. So what you have? What do we have to write here in second dash? Two. Okay, So we will write here 2, TWO2. Got it? 2 balls. Then dash stones. What is this? This is a stone. Okay, this is a stone. This is a stone. Is there any stone? Did you find? Yes? No. So how many stones are there in this picture? 3. Okay. So in third dash what will be we will write? Yes, 3. Okay. THREE 3. Got it? 3 stones. Okay. And 4 dash. What is this? Yes, flower pot. Okay, what is this? Flower pot. So how many flower pots are there? Yes, only one. So we will write there 1. Okay, ONE 1. Got it? Good. So dear students, the thing which we learn here, that we can count these all things in numerical number. Okay, in number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the things which we count in number, yes, that call countable noun. Okay, the one definition of countable noun is, see, countable nouns are words. Countable noun are things we can count numerical number. Okay, countable nouns are things we can count numerical number. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one ball, one pen, two balls. Okay, two chairs, like this. Okay, and uncountable nouns, yes, uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. Okay, we cannot count in number. Okay, like rice, milk, oil, sand. Okay, yes, we cannot count these things in number. Okay, can we count like this? One milk, two milks. Okay, three rice and four sands. Yes, can we count like this? No, we can count these things in kilogram and liter. Okay, so these things called uncountable nouns, means the things which we cannot count, the things which we cannot count. Yes, it called uncountable noun. Uncountable means it is not able to count. Okay, and countable things means which we can count. Okay, which we can count in number. Got it? Very good. See, so the definition, which very easy definition, in short you can use. Yes, the things which we can count, it's called countable noun. Okay, and the things which we cannot count, it's called uncountable noun. Got it? Hope you would understood. See, so these are example of countable nouns. Yes, which example of this noun? Yes, these are example of countable noun. Now here are some examples of uncountable nouns. See, like sand, sand is sand, water, sugar, shakar. Okay, which we use in tea, milk. Okay, so can we count these noun in number? 1 milk, 2 milk. Okay, 12 milks, 10 water. We cannot count like this. Okay, if we want to count these things, so we have to use kilogram and liter. Okay, see, so these are all example of uncountables noun. Got it? See, next, now here is the exercise. Look at the list of nouns below and write C after countable noun. Okay, write C after countable nouns and U after uncountable nouns. Okay, means C for countable and U for uncountable. Say, repeat after me. C for countable, U for uncountable. C for countable. Yes, repeat after me. C for countable. Countable means the thing which we can count. Okay, and U for uncountable. U for uncountable. Uncountable means the things which we cannot count. Okay, got it. Hope you would understood. Okay, listen carefully and try to understand what is countable and what is uncountable. In short we can say वो चीज़ें जिसे हम गिन सकते हैं वो काउंटेबल है. ओके, काउंटेबल नाउन है. एंड वो चीज़ें, वो नाउन जिसे हम गिन नहीं सकते नंबर्स में, तो वो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन कहलाती है. ओके, गॉट इट. सी, सैंड. सैंड मीन्स बालू, जिसे हम रेती कहते हैं. इट इज़ यूज टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द होम. ओके, इट इज़ यूज इन कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ होम. घर बनाने के लिए जो रेती इस्तेमाल होती है उसे सैंड कहते हैं. सो कैन वी काउंट इट? सो यू हैव टू राइट यू आफ्टर द uncountable noun. So one has been done for you. Okay, and you have to write C after C after countable noun. Okay, so here are some nouns. Okay, you have to write U and C. Got it? Hope you would understood. C, number second, book. Yes, can we count book? Yes, one book, two books, three books. Okay, so what we will write here? C. Got it? Book, C. Like this you have to write. Okay, after that ink in second box. Ink, it is used in pen. Okay, to write. So can we count one ink, two ink, three ink? No. So we will write here, it means it is uncountable. It means it is uncountable. Okay, so we will write here U or C. Yes, tell me. Yes, I hope most of students will be answering U. So we will write here U. U for uncountable. U for uncountable. Then oil. OUOIL, oil. Yes, can we count it? One oil, two oil, three oils? Yes. No. Therefore, it is uncountable. Yes, countable or uncountable? Yes, uncountable. So we will write here U also. Okay, got it. Hope you would understood. U for uncountable. In third box, banana. Yes, can we count it? Yes, one banana, two bananas, three bananas. Okay, it is countable. And house also we can count. One house, two houses, three houses, four houses. Okay, it is countable. Rice, can we count rice? Rice is, no, we cannot count rice. One rice, two rice, three rice. Okay, so it means it is uncountable. Then